Hi, I'm Yura. I am CEO and co-founder of Sidon.
Hi, I'm Anastasia. I'm an Associate Product Director at Sidon.
We want to discuss some existing challenges in the real estate domain and how product design can help you stand out from the crowd.
We outline a few design trends that impact the real estate domain. The first trend is personalization. With this approach, companies create interfaces with different levels of complexity, make personalized content and recommendations for each user based on their information. Think about the personalized music suggestions on Spotify, suggested videos on YouTube, or Netflix recommendations. The main goal of personalized design is to make the user feel that content was created especially for them. Personalized content leads to an increase in the conversion rate, and this is also true for a new trend of exclusive content not found on Main Street portals. To personalize experience, real estate companies already optimize websites to meet all possible search requests. The next trend is minimalistic design. It draws attention to essential information without distraction. Minimalism is about pointing out only the most significant elements of a product or object by getting rid of any excesses. Another trend is impacted by user demographics. Do you know who typically uses Realtor software? That's a real estate listing portal. Based on the recent stats, the average real estate agent is a 55-year-old female. And more than half of all platform users are above the age of 50 years. Just think of that. This brings up a few design challenges: accessibility and making complex products simple and intuitive. Many other trends greatly impact design of real estate and other domains as well. We see how 3D elements, animation, and video are becoming more vital for digital experiences. And new interaction patterns like touchless voice control, gestures, and new devices like foldable phones open new opportunities to delight users. But regardless of trends, critical thinking and design relevance is always a must. Don't follow up on all these trends only to have them on your app or platform without a clear and understandable purpose.
There are two main forces driving changes in real estate. The first is demand pull brought to us by demographic changes. The second is technology push, due to the new technological inventions. Let's talk about the first one. Millennials and Generation Z are now the majority on the market. Both generations prefer to do everything online. They favor personalization, flashy videos, and other rich media experiences. They travel more and more open to investing in other places and countries. They use social networks and research online to find their dream home. Many of them like technology or work in technological industries, and they are accustomed to excellent user experiences in multiple apps and services that they enjoy every day. Now regarding the technology push. Among key technological trends in real estate, I want to point out a few. Property deals are expected to be backed up by big data analytics. Deep data analytics allows for smarter investment decisions, accurate predictions, and sophisticated forecasts. Data is a key competitive advantage now. Just as with big data, there is endless potential of using artificial intelligence and machine learning. We can see it everywhere now, from automated property recommendations to highly personalized marketing campaigns. Conversation analysis, price prediction, and lead routing. A good example is a well-known product from Zillow. They call it Zestimate, which with the help of machine learning estimates home prices based on the publicly available data. Now about virtual reality. 360 degrees virtual tours are becoming the new norm. You know this trend serves as a unique advantage for companies and agents. We see that customers who visit online property inside and outside are more likely to continue buying process. And smart home technology is gaining momentum too, like smart locks and security sensors are becoming standard in the rental business. Especially for companies that have dozens of properties, they will rely more and more on such technology. We also see the rise of totally new devices like smart home boxes embedded into homes. We see more digitalization and simplification of many areas of our life. For example, the rise of iBuyers and bridge solutions for sellers may change how people buy and sell homes, as well as GovTech solutions that alter construction planning.
Well, according to Zillow, almost 90% of people interested in buying a home begin with online research, while half of these online searches are done on mobile devices. Almost half of home buyers find their home online, and around 70% of renters looking for accommodation in the US use online resources. And thus, due to the surge in online interest in real estate services, almost 50% of real estate agents consider keeping up with technology one of the greatest challenges. It is quite obvious how quickly the real estate market is drastically changing. Some companies see an issue here and another an opportunity for business growth. And the question is, which one are you? Just reflect for a second. At the moment, one, two, or several real estate companies are working on launching new solutions that give a competitive advantage. That's why you should always keep up with the latest trends and technologies and use them to address your target audience's pain points and needs. Only this way, you'll be able to stand out among competitors. And product design can help with this. We have some experience in the real estate domain, and we have described our approach and the results on our website. Some of our team members are currently working on the design of another real estate platform, and we will be happy to talk about it after the release to the market. In our most recent project in the real estate, we focused on building a really simple but very powerful platform. Thanks to a comprehensive approach, relying on trends, and cooperation with knowledgeable stakeholders, we created a multi-language system for brokerage and real estate agents. It contains 3 cornerstone blocks: management of property listings, management of leads and clients, and a website builder for quick and easy creation of personalized agent web pages. To look through this case study, visit the link provided in the description.
So, companies that are quick to react and that adopt technology trends like better user experience, VR, big data, artificial intelligence, and smart home technology will lead tomorrow's market. To create a product that will be desirable and highly recommended by users, focus on the features that provide the most value to them. And one last thing. It's obvious, but in reality we have to constantly repeat that. When you create your product, start with why. Do not rush to implement what and how. Make sure that your team, designer, or agency doesn't rely on intuition, but analyzes the market and users. If you're interested in this topic or have some comments, feel free to reach out directly on LinkedIn.